Hello everyone. Today we are here to talk about how AI is replacing job in today's world. AI is here to stay. Let me be very clear. We have seen the advent of AI almost in the last 5 and 10 years, where initially it came up with the machine learning, then heard a lot about deep learning. People were everywhere talking about deep learning. The question was, what is deep learning? Is it going to replace our job? This is what we have to find today. So, what we're going to do, let's understand what can be done without AI and where AI can replace it. So, AI are machine learning models or some other models which have been trained with an extensive historical data. What does historical data means? Historical data contains information by using which a machine learning model can make some kind of relationship between an outcome and the input, right? Now, looking at these patterns of input and output, AI can make some predictions that if these all conditions are there, then these are the outcomes which are going to be there most probably, which might be 70%, 90%, we don't know, right? Then the question comes how it can replace our job and where exactly we can win. So AI can take your job because it is good at making too many complex computations, can look into 500 to 5 million different use cases, which has been done before with the same input, and it will find out by combining all the predictions output, what is the most probable outcome for this kind of an input, which is very difficult for us because as a human we cannot go and create library of 5 million different use cases and compute them in our mind to come up with some kind of a solution. But machines can do it. Then how we can save ourselves from losing a job in front of machines? We can only do it with the creativity. What artificial intelligence lack in today's world is they do not have any creativity. They can only create an output what has been seen. But creativity is all about something unseen, which is not regular. So any such job where you can be unique, you don't have to you don't need to do a repetitive work. In all those job areas, you can actually go ahead of AI. At least in today's world, for next 5 or 10 years, we don't know that AI is going to be creative or not. Most probably not, looking at the trajectory right now. But till the time we do not have that kind of an AI, which can create something, can dream of something which just haven't seen, we human definitely have an upper hand. So what we can do, we can actually go and target those jobs where we can actually make a difference with our creative thinking. And that's what we do. Thank you so much, guys.